Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Shopify SEO apps for technical fixes, full guide step by step clearly. To install Shopify SEO apps for technical fixes, begin by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the Shopify App Store from the main menu. In the search bar, type SEO to find relevant applications. Browse through the list of SEO apps available. Read the descriptions and reviews to determine which apps fit your needs best. Select an app that is highly rated and well-reviewed. Click on the app to view its details page. On the app details page, click the Add App button. You will be prompted to log into your Shopify account if you haven't already. Review the permissions required by the app before proceeding. Click Install App to continue with the installation. Once the app is installed, follow the on-screen setup instructions. Configure the app settings according to your SEO strategy. Make sure to integrate features such as meta tag optimization and alt text for images. Utilize the app's tools to conduct an SEO audit of your store. Identify technical issues that the app highlights for correction. Follow the app's recommendations for fixing the identified issues. Regularly check back to the app for updated features and tools. Monitor your store's SEO performance after implementing the fixes. Adjust your strategy as necessary based on the app's analytics. Ensure that you keep the app updated to benefit from ongoing improvements. These steps will help you effectively install and utilize Shopify SEO apps for better technical SEO fixes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.